Welcome to the Dublin Mountains. My name is Kealan. This is where I keep all my animals. Every one of them are rescues. Come on, let's have a look. So it's breakfast time up the mountain and they love their food. Check this out. Come on, come on. Big goats, pygmy goats, emus, sheep, donkeys. Behave yourself. This is Sadie. She's a wallaby all the way from Australia. I raised her by feeding her with a bottle every day. Isn't she just beautiful? This is Larry the lamb. Larry's mammy didn't have enough milk, so I am his mammy. And you're a hungry fella, aren't you? Look at him waggling his tail, huh? Diego Maradona the horse is getting jealous. He wants a bit for himself as well. Well, you're not having it. This is all Larry's. This is Annie, crazy emu, and she is one of the fastest birds in the whole world. And not only is she fast, but look at the size of the egg she hatches out. So we're going to have baby emus soon. My God, the weight of that. This is where I get my morning exercise. I have a race with the emu every day. Come on. Come on.